Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Homeschool. I am Muhammad Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class of class 6. Our today's topic is Construction-8. Dear students, let us see what is Construction-8. Construction-8. Construction-8, the statement is construction of the bisector of an angle. It means that an angle will be given. We need to construct the bisector of the given angle. Suppose BAC be an angle. Suppose BAC be an angle. So at first draw the angle BAC. Suppose this is angle BAC. We need to construct the bisector of the given angle BAC. So at first we can write the given information. Suppose BAC be a given angle. According to the Construction-8, we need to construct the bisector of the given angle. So we can write, we need to construct the bisector of the given angle BAC of the given angle BAC. It means that we need to draw a ray here which bisect the angle. It means that which divides angle BAC into two equal parts. We need to draw a ray here. So let us draw the bisector at first. To draw the bisector, at first we have to take A as center, consider A as center and draw an arc with convenient radius which intersect or which cuts the rays of angle BAC at B and C, which cuts the rays of angle BAC at B and C. Now this is our first step. So as we need to write the description of the construction, so we can write here description of the construction. Description of construction. To write the description of the construction, we have to remember that which will draw at first, we have to write that at first. So we can write step 1. What we have drawn at first? I have drawn at first with A as center, A as center, using the pencil compass. Using the pencil compasses, draw an arc, with convenient radius which intersect the rays of angle A at B and C. Now we need to go to the second step. In step 2, consider A as center, consider B as center, and take the length more than half of BC. Consider B as center, take length or radius more than half of BC and draw an arc in the interior of angle A. It means that in the inside of angle A. So we can write with A as center, with B as center, draw an arc with radius more than half of length BC, with more than length half of BC. In the interior of angle A. It means that we have to draw this arc inside the angle A. Interior means inside of angle A. Now, next step. Step 3. We have to take the same radius. With C as center. We have to draw another arc with the same radius with C as center. We have to draw another arc. So we can write with C as center with the same radius. With C as center with the same radius, draw an arc in the interior of angle A. Suppose these two arcs intersect each other at D. Suppose these two arcs intersect each other at D. Now next step, step 4. Now we have to join A and D by a ray. So we can draw a ray joining A and D. If we join A and D by a ray, the ray AD will be the required bisector which divide angle BAC into two equal parts. So AD will be our required ray. So we can say join A and D. Join A and D. Then AD is the required bisector of the given angle BAC. AD is the required bisector of the given angle BAC. AD is the bisector. Dear students, I hope you have understood how to construct the bisector of an angle and how to write the description. Writing description is very easy if you can understand the construction. So follow the construction to write the description. Okay, dear students, now do this as your homework. This is your homework 15. Submit your homework on next Sunday. Homework is very important for your annual examination, as your CT marks, diary marks and SBA marks will be given based on the performance of your homework. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.